Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to SEAGM. Today, we're going to be doing a unboxing and review video on Lenovo's brand new Legion Duel 2 gaming phone. Alright, so thank you so much, Lenovo, for sending this over to us. Let's get to it. And we have these two pins right here. I believe we're going to be putting it. And oh, look at that. If you can actually see, it levitates up, so you can actually see all this, and it's written here Savage inside. And we also have the phone. We are going to be it's divided into different compartments. So this is the first compartment where we have the phone, and then we have stylish outside, savage inside. I feel that this should have been outside so we can actually see it together with each other. So firstly is of course the gaming phone itself. Now I have to say that this looks amazing and stylish. You can see right here, look at that. This is the Lenovo, in the Y in the middle, so it's supposed to come up with some RGB on it. We have the two camera lenses as well as the light. We have the fan. I believe we have two fans. One of them is here and the other one is supposed to be somewhere here, but we're gonna have a check on it later on as well. So you can see that it has a really nice shine and finish to it for the phone. And at the sides you can actually see this blue blemish sign right here. Alright, so it has a bluish line on the outside, and this is the phone itself. It feels really nice, really shiny. So we're gonna be putting this aside first. Secondly, we have this stylish outside. So what do we have inside is we have this cable, I guess, for audio, 3.5mm jack. So we have Legion Fold U2. We have the casing for the phone, which we'll be trying to apply later. We have this line right there for us to actually take out. All right, and of course next we have the Savage inside. So this is going to be something else. One USB Type-C cable. We have Type-C to Type-C cable. Is something magical. All right, so as you can see here, it has 3 pins, and this also has 2, not 1 but 2 USB Type-Cs attached, meaning that this is, for the first time ever, if I've ever seen this, a phone that can actually charge with using 2 cables. All right, this is something new. There has never been a phone that I haven't known you can actually use cables. So you have one of this and one of this. So one to actually go in here, and the other to actually go into the other one. Right, so these are the items that we have right here. So now let's have a look at the phone itself. All right, so the phone is really nice, quite heavy. It has a really nice weight to it. It doesn't feel so heavy, it doesn't feel so light, and like when you're holding it, right, this is how it looks like from the inside. It just has just a nice amount sizing here, and we have one USB Type-C here, and we have one USB Type-C here. So we're gonna take this cable right here, have one connected here, where this one is connected to this one, and then this one the other one. This, ta-da! So you have dual charging, so it charges through here as well as through here, so you have a choice. Now what we're going to do next is definitely to actually amp up the settings to ensure that we have the best performance. So we're going to go to display and brightness right here. So there's a few options here, so you can actually see. So we have adaptive brightness, so we can actually, the phone can actually adapt if it's too dark, so basically they'll just burn out the phone. We need lighting effects. Now I'm not sure whether this is it, but okay, you see here at the back of Legion phone, it has this Y that represents Legion. So I don't know whether this lighting effect represents that. There we go. Look at that. It doesn't look that transparent, but it's also select the lighting effect to be used, so you can actually change the colors that appears right here at the back. All right, the cycle, breathe, spin, spring, and more. So for breathe, you can see that. Yeah, there we go. So next, after lighting effects, of course, HDR display enhancement, that is a must. Gaming HDR enhancements, we're gonna turn that up. Gaming HDR environments is vivid. We're gonna go extreme because we live life dangerously. All right. So that's done. Improve video dynamic, DC backlight, yes. Element chip, display refresh rate. Refresh rate is at 60 Hz, alright? So the options we have here is at 60, 90, 120 Hz, as well as 144 Hz. Obviously, we're gonna take the best. Colors are standard, vibrant. Look at how fast things are right now. Everything is so smooth. So if it was at 60 Hz, you can see the difference. It's not so smooth. Okay, okay, this one's
turret. Awesome. Enemy Alice is here. Take her down. Time to shine. Slain an enemy. Tap here to buy equipment directing enemy base is up ahead. Just ready, go.
Hey guys, we hope that you do enjoy that unboxing and review video on the Legion Duel 2 gaming phone. If you do like it, be sure to actually leave a like and subscribe to SEAGM. And we'll be back with you in the next one.